If you haven't seen a mobile home in the last 10 years, you're in for a big surprise. Let me show you what mobile home living actually looks like today. We're talking quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, big open floor plans, vaulted ceilings, even spa-like bathrooms. It feels like a brand new house. The biggest difference? You're not paying $1.5 million for it. A lot of these homes are in the 300 to 500K range. And honestly, they look better than some brand new builds. Plus, many are in gated communities with pools, clubhouses, and even security. So it's not just affordable, it's actually a big lifestyle upgrade for many people. So no, choosing a mobile home is not settling. For a lot of people, it's leveling up. If you want to see more homes like this, hit that follow button. I promise it'll change the way you think about mobile home living. See you next time. Bye!